2015. When I good evening and welcome. My name is Nanedu and a score for me and Easy Beach to sit down to make sure say your evening goes sweet well. Even on top say I talk say Katim not there yesterday. People see they send tweet message saying they do where Katim day. What is wrong with you people? That is why I keep saying some of you people will not make heaven. You will not make heaven. I will personally make sure that you don't make heaven. Anyway, and now welcome on top of the show for today. For the show today, we'll get two guests. One guest, two guests. We have two guests that we are going to talk to. One is a music shift. You know, say we get artists, we can't get artists. This one, artists. Artists, now them be artists. Wait. Artists, now be Two-Face, Wizkid, Ice Prince, Fino, Flavor. That be artists. They're artists. Blackface, Idris Abdulkarim, Tonto Dike been try sing, so therefore she's my brother. Thank God, say Tonto Dike not continue sing. When you see me walking by, all you got to say hi, hi, hi. That song Fear is dead. That song is song for miracle. Anyway, today on top of the show, we'll get one artist and also we'll get producer. When we say everybody, almost everybody know him. MI, you don't do song for MI, Abi. You don't do song for MI. You don't do song for... You don't do song. When it comes, shy, you go talk him. But before we start the show today, as usual, two story now we go discuss. This one, I'm particularly interested in it because Easy Beach join inside this matter somewhere. One professor for inside China, he named na Cheregodi. He named na Professor Xi Zuji. Na be name in university where he there for na Zhengzhou University. Now you know say men na plenty pass for China. Women, they're not too plenty. You don't say get one time when they don't say, now one picking, yes, everybody with the board. Now men come plenty pass. In fact, the guy can't do calculation, can't see say, by 2020, like in the next 5 years now, men go be like, between like, you know, then go use like 30 million, 30 to 40 million take pass women when you say they for inside China. The guy can't think as a sharp professor. Say, what thing then go do? We go reduction, you know, matter of man, you know, man go there, one man go there for one woman, you know, all those kind of things. Because even the Bible says, there's, the Bible talk about it?
Say what you talk.
The Bible talk, there's every man, who talk, say every woman, I don't know, somebody talk and shout, whether in the Bible, it is somewhere, say one man to one woman.
Yes, that one day.
It is Bible, you know, idiot. One man to one woman. Now, then don't see her for China, say, it not go work. Now, this professor can't think and say, what thing then go do? We go make things better. He can't bring one idea. We make for China now. Then they get the guy. Some people, they get out. But some people agree. Single guys, then agree. The guy bring idea of wife sharing. For instance example, Easy Beach don't marry now. Then, K-Solo never married. K-Solo now, 9 be the bachelor. We never see wife marry. So that wife sharing formula, it go help take do, make K-Solo the... Easy Beach wife. When Easy Beach wife they go work. Okay, when Easy Beach don't come work this night now. Keselo go there, go hajie things, collect like 1 or 2 rounds, then come out. So then go they share them, then go get logbook. When he come, he go clock in. Then go clock out because clocking machine go there. Yes. So that when you clock in, then go know how many. But the person like a Keselo like 5 minutes. If you clock in now, the next 2 minutes, you don't clock out. But that thing they happen already now for inside Benue State. I hear say when for inside Benue State, I don't know those of them where they Benue. Agbef Benue na Makodi now. Agbef, I beg make you call to tell us whether not true, whether they do am. See they say for Benue if person come visit you, you go give her your wife.
Take entertain
them. My brother. Now be say some guy women. It gets a guy pay you go visit like T-Bliss. She been at T-Bliss, the way married Tiva Savage. You go the visit and where. I just the pass, so I just say I come visit you.
They go ban you for visiting.
Just say I come visit you.
No visit me.
The which person when wife find again. Plenty of them never even marry. Anyway, the second story when the we go discuss this evening. Guy one pastor. He they sell anointed pen now.
Banga.
For those of you where they school where write exam, where you not get power to read, you don't want to destroy like all these guys where they Babcock. Because we know now. When I go they walk up and down for Lagos, jump on Peton with the say. And nobody say they come to me. I just the hear gist. I just the hear gist. They walk up and down. You know I'm a very clean somebody. I don't like all this kind of thing. I don't know how you would tell me. Now buy that pen. They say the pastor now don't talk. Say in don't they say that pen. Once you use that pen, take right. Exam is short for you. You must win. See, perfect sells anointed exam pen. Now, you see, when Bible talk, say, on that day, when then go they call register, I go there by the side. Now me go they give God register.
Okay.
Say, Baba, take. Now, when you go see somebody, go say, who are you? I know you not. Get thee behind me. Blah, blah, blah. Now, this come pastor. I don't know how you go to advise person, say, make it come by anointed pen. You not go tell her, make it go read. Some people will not make heaven. And you go shocked how much that guy go don't sell.
And people will buy you.
Get one church waiting for this Nigeria. If I talk the thing I want to talk, now people go know the church. Then they sell those safety uniform. And people, they buy them. That thing where then they... Anyway, the guest we'll get for today's show, in name na Godson, and an artist where they sing music is an artistic. I go Pastor Yan in church on Sunday.
Oh yeah.
I see the guy perform. The guy was rapping. Yeah, make it, wow. I come in the gown and then go up. Make it. Oh God. And then the second one, a producer, E. Kelly, name E. Kelly dressed like Undertaker. You know those people say they build coffin for people. They wear black from head to toe. Who know maybe in boxer herself, be black. But anyway, more bass, more chicken a break. When we come back, two of them go down sit down. Then we'll go start the discussion with them. I don't know how you with them.
I am with you.
I got phone numbers also go there on Top TV. Wait, what I talk today? I remember what I talk for radio today. Jesus. Will they come back, sir? I go talk them.
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.